Hello everyone. For today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it would be nice to share with you an easy card to wallet effect. Okay, so you have a regular deck of cards, well shuffled, have a spectator just go ahead and pick any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, okay? Take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is. Give the deck a few cuts, a nice shuffle. And now, if you magically waterfall and give the deck a tap, you have now made their card vanish from the deck into your wallet, okay? Now I'm gonna reach in my pocket, grab my wallet, open it up, and the card is so special to me that I even keep it next to a picture of my pride and joy. Here it is, one card in my wallet. It's really stuck in there. What was the card you picked? Was it the two of spades? And that's easy card to wallet. Now before I tell you how to do it, explain it, please like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate it, it helps the channel out. I do magic tutorials. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I do see all the comments and I do respond to them, okay? So, let's explain. Card to wallet, easy card to wallet, easy card to anything, almost, okay? So this is just a regular wallet that I got at a swap meet a long time ago. Old magician's gag, picture your pride and joy, okay? Card goes in the wallet before you begin. And I like this one because it's got that button to it, okay? Have a spectator just select any card that they want. This is a regular deck of cards, well shuffled, okay? So shuffle them, etc. It can be a borrowed deck if you want. Spectator picks a card. Say they picked this guy right here. Free selection. Now you want to get their card, whatever they picked, to the top of the deck, okay? And you can do it any way you want. For what I did, I just put it somewhere half of the deck and then pushed it in. And then when I find the last push I do, push down on their card a little bit. It'll push the card up and give you a break, okay? So their selected card is now on top of this bottom stack of cards, okay? And so now I'll just cut this top half at my break twice. So I'll cut, just half of that half, put them on the table, okay? Cut once, and then cut twice, and then finish with this stack, okay? And then that gets their card to the top. And now you can shuffle here as long as you just keep that card on the top, okay? You just shuffle those cards last every time you shuffle, okay? So there's the card, shuffle again, just keeping it last, okay? So their card's on top. Now, in your wallet, you have that card that you placed in it, and I probably should have mentioned this before, that this card is actually a double-backed card, okay? So you're gonna need one of these double-back cards. You can make one, it's better to buy them. They're relatively inexpensive and you can get a sorted gaff decks if you want. Or you can find these, by themselves at a magic shop. I don't know how much they are individually. They used to be like a quarter, maybe they're 50 cents, maybe $1 now, I don't know. Or if you can't find, printed ones, you can, take the two jokers and then just glue them together and kind of make your own, get a glue stick, glue here, put them together, okay? And then put some books on top of this to press it down so they keep aligned and stuck together, okay? So you can make a double-backed card. And if you know how to split cards, you can split these in half and then glue those two parts together so it's, even thinner. It's almost like a regular card, okay? That's if you can't find this or if you use a specialty deck and want to make your own, okay? So that's just some ways to get a double back card, okay? So this double back card is in your wallet, okay, before you start, okay? So they picked a card, their card's on top, and now all you're doing is just simply taking the card out of the wallet, you have the deck in your hand, placing it on top of the deck, and then you just do a double lift, okay? And then turn the card over, and then when you lay that flat, because it's a double back, the double back card's now on top, you've shown their card, you can spread the cards out like this. Was that your card, okay? So the secret is just a double back card and a double lift to get their card seemingly to vanish and go into the wallet. Now you can do any kind of flourishes, you know that I did a waterfall, you know, tap the deck, pretend to palm the card if you want, throw it in your wallet, you know, just a couple different, you know, misdirections if you want. But when their card's on top, they don't know that. And then you just get this out of your wallet. Don't show the other side, you just pull it out. I mean, you don't have to have windows like this. You can just keep it, you know, in your wallet, like where you would keep dollar bills, okay? You just pull it out and you have this deck in your hand, okay? Place it on top, and then when you go to do your double, okay? That's all you're doing. And then that double back is on top, okay? And so that's easy card to wallet, okay? Please let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I post magic tutorial videos, some easier than others, once a week, usually on Wednesdays. So let me know. Once again, I appreciate it. Until next time.